I didn't see any way the coalition ADC. I don't see how it can be effective in Rivers State. It cannot be effective in Rivers State. Let me predict, because I don't know the political electoral value of whosoever that is leading the movement here. But then, as at now, I can tell you that I don't see any effectiveness that they are going to really record in Rivers State. But when you look at the country as a whole, I think whosoever that want to ignore the ADC, I think they'll be doing that at their own peril. Because I know there are so many political giants that belong to. And I follow the political pattern of the northern Nigeria. I don't think Mr. President himself and his political handlers, I don't think they are kind of underrating this. And that is why they are so worried about it. They are going to be effective. And let me tell you one thing that I know. This coalition is the coalition, the political players and the populace, the downtrodden, the oppressed across the country, Nigerians that have withdrew their children from schools because they didn't have the capacity to send their children to school, Nigerians that could not go to market to buy any clothing again, Nigerians that have one car or two cars that have sold their cars, Nigerians that could not maintain their cars, Nigerians that have generators at home because lack of electricity, Nigerians that have generators at home but they could not afford fuel to power their generators, Nigerians that travel by air before they can no longer afford to travel by air, Nigerians that travel from Port Harcourt to Abuja before by road with 5,000 naira that cannot afford to travel by Abuja by road, 50,000 now. Those are the people that will solidly be in support, troop out, to vote out the government of APC. But could there be any magic that the APC and the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu could perform to change the situation between now and 2027? If there's anything like magic, I wish them every best. But then, I'm seeing that ADC have come to stay because people are embracing them seriously. Because we are in Rivers State, we may not know. Go to my state in Osun State, see what is happening. Go to Kogi, go to Kaduna, go to Katsina, go to Sokoto, go to Kebbi, go to Yobe, go to Borno, go to Adamawa, go to Niger, go to Katsina, go to Plateau. You will see what is happening. People are embracing this coalition speedily and massively. So I don't think the APC, I think they will give APC a very serious headache. And I made bold to say something. A lot of persons have engaged me and they are saying rigging. And I said rigging is possible when the candidate you want to rig in favor is popular. When people are tired of your candidate, when you see that people, the Yoruba will say, when you see somebody that is ready to die, be careful fighting with him because he is ready to die. A lot of people now have taken need for that principle of he that is down fear no fall. 80% of Nigerians today, they are not afraid of death. They are not afraid of whatever anybody could do to them. Come, there is a signal, ominous sign and signals. As we speak now, Nigerian Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria, they are on strike. People are dying in the hospitals. Just about 2 weeks ago, the retirees of the Nigeria police, they were on strike. And that condition has not been met. The Minister of Health and others met with the Association of Nigeria Nurses and Midwifery Council yesterday. The meeting ended up deadlock. And after the expiration of the 7th day, then there will be an indefinite strike. You understand? That alone will demarket the APC and their government. And a lot of people are seeing people decamping. Are they really decamping, or they are being coerced to join APC? See what is happening now in Delta State. They moved from PDP to APC in Delta State. You see where with them there? Now, are you telling me Ganduje do not have supporter? Ganduje was not very popular, but he delivered nothing less than 600,000 votes from Kano 2023. Are you telling me such a character that was pushed out, frustrated out, do not have any influence? Joke with the ADC at your own peril. That is it. APC was like this too. And yet, they were not able to do anything now. That is why our economy, our health, our education, our security has nosedived. That is it. But I'm telling you this. Most of these people you are calling the coalition now, most of them check. They might belong to a very wrong vehicle in the past. But some of them, when you talk about individuals, some of them, they are performers. And I want to tell you that yes, these people will do better than what we are having now. Because the government we are having now of APC, that is treating Nigerians like this, that you still need a vote 2027. Now, if we give you chance 2027 again, that you don't need a vote 2031, what will be the fate of Nigerians? Nigeria will be empty to Niger Republic. Nigeria will be empty to Benin Republic. Nigeria will be empty to Central African Republic, to Burkina Faso, Mali, and others. So that is it. So no matter what, let us risk it. Let us risk it. If you are carrying palm oil, you say it's too light. Go and carry water too. So at the end of the day, you know which one. So we have risked the 4 years in the hand of this, I can call them kakistocratic set of persons governed by the worst citizens. So let us try again. That is it. I don't want to believe in anybody cajoling us to do unhealthy propaganda to destroy Nigerians, to hate the ADC. No. Let us try the ADC too. And people were saying, oh, Buhari want to run, Tinubu want to run, Atiku must run, this must run, Saraki want to run. At the end of the day, it was like magica. When everybody submitted to Muhammadu Buhari, and the reason then was that they know he had a traditional block vote of 12 million from the northern Nigeria. And that was it. So if there was no crisis then, we are envisaging that there will be crisis now. Don't forget, the people, part of the people that have formed APC, part of them are here prominently. The way they were able to manage APC that time that there was no crisis, they will manage this one. Let us get to the bridge before we know how to cross it. I'm talking like a keen observer, as a Nigerian. I'm not talking like a politician. So I don't have, I support ADC in gubernatorial, I support PPA in councillorship, I support PDP in senator, I support APC in local government. That is it.